as cover crops. And so, Jim, let's go back to you for a moment and talk a little bit about, there's a variety of cover crops that are available to a grower. So in your opinion, what are some of the more popular cover crops? And if I'm just starting out, I'm kind of a beginner, is there any specific varieties that you recommend?
Sure. So in the winter of 2019 and 2020 Soil Health Partnership, we conducted a survey of all the growers that are in our network to start to gather some of this information of what is actually going on in the fields, what are they looking to use, and ultimately we want to tie that into what is being most successful. So the information we got out of that, I think, does line up pretty well with a lot of other national surveys and information that's coming out there. But we certainly did find that the most popular cover crop, hands down, is cereal rye for many reasons. And that's probably been known across the country for quite a while. It's extremely winter hardy. It's a cover crop that growers find a lot of success with. It's something that they can get on their fields. They can plant it late. It'll overwinter. It'll do a lot of those, give us a lot of the benefits that we discussed earlier when we look at what do we want out of a cover crop. Well, we want it to hold the soil. We want that living root in the ground throughout the winter. We want it to take up nutrients that might otherwise be lost. And we find that cereal rye does a really good job of making that work and being successful for growers. So, as far as for recommendations of